Welcome to the Campaign tab. When you come into this tab, you'll see two options at the top: email and SMS. These simply let you choose which method you want to use for sending your campaign. To get started, just click the big icon that says "Click here." This will automatically redirect you to the Market Now tab. Inside Market Now, open any section you like. Choose the flyer you prefer. Send it through email or SMS, whichever you selected earlier. Next, add your title and your message. Then click Next. Now click Select Contact. Here, you'll see all your customers listed. If you want to send the flyer to everyone, simply check the box and click the arrow icon. Boom, all contacts are added and ready to send. If you want to send it to just one person, search their name and click the arrow icon next to it. Once your contacts are ready, you can either schedule the campaign for later or send it instantly by clicking Save Campaign. Confirm your selections and scheduling by hitting Yes, Save. Click Yes, Confirm to finalize your campaign setup. Acknowledge the confirmation pop-up to finish and return to your dashboard. Now click Menu icon and then Marketing. Then Campaigns. After sending, the campaign will appear in your Campaign tab. When you click on that campaign, you can see its status, the delivery list, and the config. In there, it's showing the schedule and expired date info. You'll also see the period for that campaign. If you want to cancel it, so you can click here. And that's it for the Campaign tab.